So I'm just gonna have to stop here because then I gotta remove this bolt because this is what is holding on to the windshield. Okay, and I don't know what else, to be honest. I don't know what else is holding on to the windshields. It's two of them, one at the bottom, one at the top. So you need to switch to be able to switch the ignition on to lower. After removing this, you need to be able to switch the ignition on to slide the window down and then remove the other bolt so the glass can be free from the plate, and then you would be able to remove the plate, and then you would have access in the back. There's a retainer clip at the back of the lock. It's impossible to see anything here. There's a retainer clip at the back of the lock, and that retainer clip will have to be slid away for the lock to come out and inspect to see if there's a key code. It's just ridiculous. I'm just gonna put everything back. This was a great waste of time, but at least it helped some people knowing how to remove the door panel and even everything else, because from this point you gotta remove this. It's just too much, this Japanese. I like to use KM100 for this pure Japanese breed. I wisely ended up purchasing a key code. This is the meaning of experience. You try to save money and then you find out that this particular time is not going to work. It's just better to pay and go. Ignition is switched on. We are going to click on IMO. Click on M. And find Mitsubishi. There you go. Let's do automatic selection. Read VIN. Okay. Okay. It always asks these things. You can find the type by looking into the hood. It would be on the plate, but it really doesn't matter as far as programming. You can pick either or. I always pick the first one, but maybe it was the second one because, like I said, it doesn't matter. Now, Mitsubishi is also not the most straightforward to program. It will give you some codes that are that usually works depending on the vehicle you are working on, and you're just gonna have to try those codes until it works. I know 1530 is a thing with this Eclipse. The last time that I did it, I think that's what I used, and that's what worked after a couple of tries. And but it may be different for this vehicle. The keyway in this vehicle is different from the one I worked on last time. As you can see, it says the password is not correct. So we're going to click on OK. And we're going to have to change that password. You can see down there, it tried by default the first of the list. And if you remember, I told you that 1530 was a thing the last time I used that, and that worked. So we are going to edit manually. Click on that and do that. 1530, and let's see if this is going to work. Click on that and click on OK. Yes. Let it try and see if this is going to work. The key status couldn't be read. So that would mean that these keys that are ordered don't have the right chip. This is supposed to be ID 46. Maybe I was sent 4D61. Let me check. That's gonna be a pain. Okay. But the code worked. So it's 1530 for this vehicle. And yep, I was sent the wrong chip. Like I said, it's supposed to be ID 46 and this is 4D61, which is actually the predecessor of ID 46. So this is not gonna work. I'm gonna look in my stock to see if I can find a key shell or a key, which I don't believe I do have, but I'm gonna check. So I came to find out I have an ID 46 in my stock. So I'm gonna cut that and program. The nightmare is almost over. So I have our 46 inserted and we are going to start this over. Now everything should be okay. The chip is ID 46. Okay, so it seems like the password, it tried to put the 33 password again. By default, we're going to input 1530 one more time. Okay, and click OK, and click OK. That should be fine. Okay, so all is well now. The vehicle should start. Do you want to learn the next one? No, we don't. Here to make only one key. Thank you very much. And so the vehicle is running finally. Mitsubishi pain, all keys lost. Thanks for watching.